Hello, I'm Sophie, and welcome to English Elite channel. In this video, you will learn exactly how to talk about your daily routine in English, step by step, using a real conversation. Before we start the conversation, let's understand what you should include when talking about your daily routine. Your routine should always follow a simple order. 1. Morning. 2. Afternoon. 3. Evening. 4. Night. And you should use simple linking words like first, then, after that. Finally, now let's see how it actually sounds in a real conversation with Ron. Hey, so what does your daily routine look like?
Well, I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
Tip 1, always start with your wake-up time.
After that, I freshen up and have my breakfast.
Tip 2, use simple phrases like after that to connect your sentences.
Then I either study or work, depending on my schedule.
That sounds productive. What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually have lunch and take a short break. Sometimes I watch something or scroll on my phone.
Tip 3, you can include small, real-life habits. It makes your English sound natural. Nice. And what about your evening?
In the evening, I like to go for a walk or spend time with my family.
And what do you do at night?
At night, I have dinner, relax for some time, and then go to bed around 11 p.m.
Now let's quickly revise how you should speak. First, keep your sentences simple. Don't try to use very difficult words. Second, follow a proper order morning to night. Third, use connecting words like then, after that, in the evening. And most importantly, speak naturally. Now it's your turn. Try to speak about your daily routine using this structure. You can even pause this video and practice. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Elite for more such videos. See you in the next video.